The State Secretary planned this week of meetings to the Dutch Caribbean in anticipation of actually the report being finalized prior. So because everything got pushed up a week, the goals and objectives of the meetings would not be the same. So we're not at the stage where we'll be discussing, for instance, the results of the report, whereas initially that was probably the objective. What I've seen with the State Secretary's press statement is that she will be making stakeholder engagements within the communities of the various islands. Of course, there is a planned meeting between herself and I, and in that meeting, there will be more of the discussions that we have been having over the past weeks. Of course, the removal of the 12.5% is one of them, and the way forward, different challenges that we are facing, whether it be with measures within the country packages or otherwise. And of course, the way forward, as was discussed with a previous question, with the COHO and options, etc. But it will be more for her, as far as I can gather, and the planning being executed, an opportunity to listen to the vision, the goals, the dreams, and concerns of the people of St. Maarten. So several stakeholders have been invited to meet with the State Secretary on the 3 islands. And so it will be more of a community engagement for the most part. My meeting with her, of course, will have the goal of the ongoing concerns and challenges and what can be done in collaboration to alleviate those.